This video will demonstrate how to prepare your warehouse acid spill kit for staging. Each warehouse acid spill kit is shipped on its own pallet, complete with all of its components, including 3 pails of acid spill absorber and neutralizer and 12 absorbent socks. Shipped inside the yellow spill container are 2 personal protective equipment kits, a heavy-duty broom and collapsible shovel, 5 absorbent pillows, 50 absorbent pads, 10 bags for damaged batteries, and 4 absorber disposal bags. Upon arrival to your warehouse, empty the contents out of the spill container. By following these instructions, all components of the warehouse acid spill kit will fit neatly inside the 68-gallon spill kit container. Start by stacking the acid spill absorber and neutralizer pails. Next, add the broom and collapsible shovel. The 12 absorbent socks can be placed opposite the broom and shovel near the front of the container. Next, add pillows to the front of the container, then place the bags on top. Place absorbent pads behind the pails. For easy access, place the personal protective equipment kits on top. Each kit includes material safety data sheets and an instructional DVD from quickhowto.com. Finally, place the spill kit in an ideal location. Keeping all your spill kit materials together in one container will greatly increase your ability to clean up an acid spill quickly and safely. For more videos on spill kits, visit quickhowto.com.